Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds in the device list, and right here we have spatial audio. Firstly, if you have Apple device, you cannot find it at the settings for these earbuds. If you have AirPods, you can find it, but for this one, no. Next one. Not all Android devices support this feature also, so maybe you may not have it. Now, to enable it, you need to press one time at the slider near to the spatial audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!